In today's video, I'm going to teach you get the Firebase project ID. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your Firebase project ID and the Android app ID linked to your Sketchware project, and you'll understand what each one means so you can use them with confidence. Start by signing into the Firebase console with the Google account that owns or has access to your project. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you juggle multiple profiles. Once inside the console, you'll see a list of your projects. Pick the project you want to connect to Sketchwares or create a new one if that's what you're working with today. With your project open, look at the left-hand menu for Project Overview. Right next to it, you'll see a small gear icon for settings. Click that, then choose Project Settings. This takes you to the General tab, which is where most identification details live. At the top of this General tab, you'll find your project ID displayed in the main pane. This is not the friendly project name you see elsewhere. It's a unique identifier that you defined or that Firebase generated when the project was created. It never changes, and various Firebase services and tools reference it behind the scenes. Go ahead and copy it now so you can paste it into Sketchware when needed. A quick tip: keep it in a safe notes file so you don't have to navigate back and forth later. Stay on the same project settings page and scroll down until you reach the Your Apps section. This area lists all apps already associated with your project, grouped by platform like Android, iOS, or web. You'll want the Android entry that matches the app you registered for Sketchware. You can identify it by its package name, the one you provided during registration, which typically looks like com.example.myapp. Click that Android app entry to open its details. Here, Firebase shows key information about the app, including the app ID. An Android app ID usually looks like this: 1 here, Moke 3456789 through, Android 321 ABC 456D EF7890. Copy that value exactly as shown. This is the identifier Firebase uses to tie services and data to your specific Android build, and Sketchware will rely on it for configuration. That's it. You've located and copied both the project ID from the General section and the Android app ID from the Your Apps card. Keep both handy for your Sketchware setup and avoid sharing them publicly. If anything looks off, double-check you selected the correct project and Android app entry before pasting the values into your build.